Good morning. My name is Keith Renna with the Renna Lending team of Prospect Mortgage, bringing you this week's mortgage update. Prospect Mortgage, we are the largest privately held direct lender. First, I want to discuss interest rates. Great news for interest rates. As well, I want to discuss the 95% conventional loan that is back in the market, and that's very good news as well. But interest rates, they have come down over the past few weeks. Rates were in the upper 4s to the 5% range, depending on whether you're paying points, just about 4 weeks back. Right now, they're in the mid to upper 4% range, and if you decide to pay a few points, if it's a long-term purchase for you, it is possible to obtain a 30-year fix in the low 4% range. So very good news for rates. Now is certainly the time to lock in your interest rate if possible. Open up escrow if you're looking to buy, and if you haven't yet refinanced, certainly take advantage of this time. If it is a short-term purchase for you, or a short-term loan for you, I would certainly take a look at the 5-year ARM. The 5-year ARM is now pricing in the mid 3% range. Which is very good news. We haven't seen the 5-year ARM back in this range in quite some time. On an FHA loan or a VA loan, rates, they are very good as well, but a little bit higher compared to the conventional financing. On the FHA or the VA loan, we're in the upper 4% range to that 5% range, depending on whether you're paying points or not. The ARM is lower, but not quite as low as the conventional. The FHA and the VA ARM are in the low 4% range. So maybe an option worth looking at if you know it's going to be a short-term loan for you. Now, the 95% conventional loan, that has come back in the market. What I mean by that is anytime you are taking out a conventional loan and your loan-to-value ratio is exceeding 80%, in today's market, you're required to have mortgage insurance for that amount that goes above. And there's 5 companies that provide mortgage insurance. Well, recently, all 5 companies were requiring a 10% down payment, and then they would require a loan of a 90% loan-to-value ratio. Well, now they have loosened up their guidelines, and they are now only requiring a 5% down payment because they're insuring a 95% conventional first mortgage. That's very good news. So you have the FHA, which is the down payment of only 3.5%, and now we have the conventional, which is a little bit tougher to qualify. Your credit has to be real good. Your debt-to-income ratios have to be a little bit lower, but that option will allow you to put down only 5% and again get those great conventional rates. So certainly some options worth looking at there. If you haven't yet been pre-approved or you have questions, please do feel comfortable contacting myself. That is certainly the first step. Myself, my team will be happy to help. My direct line at the office is 661-290-3817, and please do stay tuned to this site because we're going to continue to bring you important updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.